Let's now talk about the other elections in the next state of Tamil Nadu, because here is a big development that has now happened today. It was a blockbuster nomination day. An actor turned politician Vijay finally making his electoral debut to file his nomination and this high voltage entry. Now, he has followed up with a massive roadshow that happened after that, drawing a huge crowd and showcasing significant public support that turned the event into a clear show of strength. Now, the pictures there that has been coming in that underlines Vijay's growing political clout, with his campaign already generating a lot of buzz ahead of the crucial contest. Now, as far as Vijay is concerned, he seems to be making a very calculated entry, because in this electoral battlefield, he's chosen 2 seats. One seat is Perambur, the second one is Trichy East. Now, this is being seen as a strategic masterstroke. Let's try and understand why could be and what could be the reason behind this decision, because both of these constituencies are currently being held by the DMK. That means it is setting the stage for a direct high-stake battle. Then Perambur is a high-profile battlefield with over 2.20 lakh voters. It's one of the largest assembly segments in Chennai following the 2011 delimitation. Perambur is also known for its socially diverse section of electorate that includes a sizable Dalit population and also notable Anglo-Indian population. On the other hand, Trichy East is another important seat which has a large Christian voter base, especially from the Vellalar community, where another aspect which needs attention here is the very strategically crucial seat in the history of Tamil Nadu, because as the party, this is interesting here, as the party winning from this constituency has formed the government in 3 elections after the delimitation exercise of 2011. So this is something that will get to witness when the election results are out. Dharani, good afternoon. It's been an hectic day as far as back-to-back nomination filings that what we are looking at by the top leaders there. But what is mainly important as far as the TVK chief is concerned, 2 seats, and this time he has already filed his nomination. What we are looking as far as this mega roadshow that was also planned after that.
Well, around 12:30 p.m., Vijay filed his nomination from the Perambur Assembly constituency. Soon after, he officially launched his campaign from Perambur itself. And following Perambur, in a few minutes from now, Vijay will arrive at the Kolattur Assembly constituency for campaigning, and there is already a huge crowd of people over here to get a glimpse of Mr. Vijay. Hundreds of people from the Kolattur Assembly constituency, they have gathered here to get a glimpse of Mr. Vijay. We can in fact see the people cheering, and they are continuously sloganeering for Mr. Vijay's victory in the upcoming assembly elections. And we can see a lot of women in this location. Thousands of women, I must say, they've come here to support Vijay. And some of the women, they are even carrying their toddlers in their hands, and in the soaring sun, they have come here. And they've been waiting here for the past 2 hours to get a small glimpse of Mr. Vijay. That is the kind of support that Vijay is, getting on the ground here in Kolattur. Remember, Kolattur is the constituency of Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. So, just a few, moments back, around 45 minutes back, the Chief Minister filed his nomination from the Kolattur Assembly constituency. So soon after, now Vijay is going to come to the same Kolattur Assembly constituency for a campaign. So Tamil Nadu is witnessing the election fever gripping the state very strongly. We are showing you visuals of hundreds of TVK supporters, thousands, I must say, at least 3,000 to 5,000 people. They very clearly be seen in these visuals that I am showing to you right now. This is in Kolattur, which is the Assembly constituency of Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. So let's wait and see what Vijay has to say during his speech here. But earlier Vijay asked one very emotionally from the people of Tamil Nadu. He says that under the DMK's rule, corruption is rampant, the law and order situation has worsened, women don't feel safe. From children to elderly, everybody, they are getting sexually assaulted and sexually molested. Nobody feels safe in Tamil Nadu, and the drug usage has rampantly increased. So to save Tamil Nadu from all these problems, TVK is the only way forward. Vijay is the only way forward, is what he is telling, and he's requesting the people very emotionally to give him one chance this time, to make him the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, to bring a real change in the state. And even in Kolattur here, we can expect Vijay to speak among the crowd, and he's likely to highlight the same pointers here also. In fact, let's try Vijay talking to a few of the supporters have gathered over here. Sir, இப்போ 2026ல தளபதி சிஎம் ஆயிடுவார்னு எவ்வளவு கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இருக்கீங்க?
ரொம்ப நல்ல கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இருக்கும். எங்க தளபதி தான் எப்பவுமே சிஎம். கண்டிப்பா எல்லா தொகுதியிலும் ஜெயிப்பார் அவரு.
கொளத்தூர் வந்து சிஎம் ஓட தொகுதியாச்சு. இங்க வந்து டிவிக்கு நல்லா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியும்.
இல்ல எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே அவர்தான் தளபதி தான் எப்பவுமே. அவர் கண்டிப்பா ஜெயிப்பாரு. டிவிக்கு தளபதி தான் ஜெயிக்கணும்.
Supporters have gathered here to get a glimpse of Mr. Vijay, and let's speak to a few of the women supporters who have gathered over here. We have many young women here. இப்போ DMK ADMK ரெண்டு பேருமே வந்து விமனுக்கு நிறைய ஸ்கீம்ஸ் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. மந்த்லி மானிட்டரி அசிஸ்டன்ஸ்லாம் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அதெல்லாம் ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகுமா?
இல்ல 4 வருஷமா பண்ணாது. லாஸ்ட் வருஷம் பண்றது வேஸ்ட். நான் தளபதி தான் எப்பவுமே கேட்பேன்.
சோ யார் என்ன கொடுத்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு தளபதி
தான்.
ஓகே. So let the DMK and the ADMK offer us whatever they want, but our vote is for Vijay. Is
Yes.
for that young lady.
So as
that
Dharni
has
said,
to
election
say.
fever has taken over in Tamil Nadu as this is a high-stake battle, and it's the blockbuster nominations that have now taken place, and this is the two-seat gambit that Thalapathy Vijay now seems to be making his electoral debut. Well, thank you very much, Dharni, for getting us that live update. We're going to head into a very short